Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding the single question your visualization must answer, and then gather the exact fields needed. Once done, clean values, standardize types, and handle missing data so visuals won't mislead. Make sure to pick a chart form that matches your goal: bar for comparison, line for trend, histogram for distribution, because format drives interpretation. While you prepare, document assumptions and sample size so you can justify choices later and avoid rework. You now transform clean data into visual elements. Aggregate to the correct granularity and compute derived metrics so patterns emerge clearly. Then, map variables to channels, position, length, color, while keeping scales and labels consistent. This reduces cognitive load and prevents misreading. Once basic plots appear, refine by annotating important events, adding interactive filters, and simplifying legends. These steps let viewers explore and understand why trends exist. You finish by polishing axis titles, tightening spacing, and writing a concise caption that states the takeaway and caveats. Then publish in the appropriate format: static image for reports, interactive dashboard for exploration. Make sure to version your workbook and note data refresh cadence so consumers trust updates. If something looks wrong, first recheck aggregations, time zone shifts, and null handling. These 3 issues explain most discrepancies and are the fastest to verify and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.